April Fool!
Hey, shout out Tembe. Shout out Kamikaze.
On that fuck shit.
Shout out Tete, you know what
you do to my drink?
Fuck it.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. Let me introduce my name Sugianto. In this video, I will discuss what it is called disease, the cause of COX disease, and especially how to treat it using natural medicine. Right away, what is COX disease? Clogging is the body's natural response when the airways defense system is distributed from the outside with a couch. The body and clear mucus or its irritants get it out of the lungs. Clogging is usually marked by the initial symptoms of itching in the throat. In addition to itching, cough is often accompanied by inflammation that makes the throat feel painful when swallowing. Coughing can be caused by things outside the underlying disease. For example, covering normal activities to clean the airways, irritants such as smoke and gas, tobacco use, or the process of eating inappropriate food and drink. Next, I will recommend a natural cough medicine and how to make it. The first prepared ingredients, namely ginger and brown sugar. The first step, ingredient ginger. First, so that later it will be easy to take the water content. It will show the water content in ginger. The next step, squeeze the ginger until add the water out of ginger. What has been collected like this. The next step is with brown sugar. But before we have to refine the brown sugar using knife. First, then input the refined sugar into the juice of water ginger. Next, using no herb. It looks fixed net. Pour into a glass. Then we left. After a cup, we can bring to treat a cough. Okay, that I hope this tutorial was okay. That I hope this tutorial was useful. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe.